Okay, let's take a look at question 1. So Daphne claps every 2 seconds while June claps every 3 seconds. Okay, so if they start clapping at the same time, how many times will they clap during the first 24 seconds? You're actually finding the common multiples, right? Because every time you have a common multiple, it means that they clap once together. So let's list out multiples of 2 and your multiples of 3. Can we find the common multiples? This is actually a trick question. The answer is actually 5 because they actually have their first clap at the 0 seconds. Okay, so you have to plus 1. Okay, so this one is first clap at 0 seconds. Okay, next one. This is your Gauss theorem. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is to flip it around. Okay, so what do you notice about the pattern class? Every time you have one set, it will always be the same. So now, how many sets of hundreds are there? So to find the number of sets, you can write this. What you can do is to take the last number minus the first number. Okay? Then, what do? You divide by 2, right? And you plus 1. Okay? So what's the last number? The last number is 98. First number? 2. Divide by 2 plus 1. Okay, so this means that there are 49 sets of 100. Okay, so total will be 49 times 100, which is 4009. But this is not your answer, class, because this is the total of 2 rows. Remember, we flip it together. So this 4009 is actually the total of row 1 plus your row 2. So you have to take 4009 divided by 2. With more practice, you realize that this pattern is always the same. You just have to remember how to find your number of sets.